Hi, this is Celeste Woodside, brand strategist at Helium Strategic. In a previous video, I have been showing you how to build a simple Squarespace website from start to finish for your business. In an effort to keep that video concise, I haven't included this one piece that I'm going to show you in this video, but I wanted to make sure that I took time to show you how to build an anchor link within your site. This can be really helpful if you want to make it easy for your user to get information without having to open up multiple pages or do a bunch of clicking to get around. You will have to click to get from the anchor link to the section on your page, but this keeps your user on the same page that they're finding the anchor link on. This is Jessica's main page for Mind and Moon Massage, and we had originally built a services menu that was a folder with a drop down of multiple pages. This isn't ideal because it forces the user to have to click on to another page to get the information that they're looking for. So I wanted to create a link. When a user clicked on services, it would take them down to this accordion menu that we built in a previous video, and it would just jump them right down to the bottom of the page. So I'm going to show you how I set that up. So down in this section where the accordion menu is, I inserted a code block. So insert code. This brings up this little editor where you can write code or copy and paste code and just drop it into here. The code that I used, I will include in the description of this video below, but I will also show it to you here. So it's page ID, and then in these quotation marks, I added a title that says service menu. So that's the page ID that will bring you to this accordion menu. Up here at the top, I added a link, and I called the link services, and the link goes to the home page, which we're on, and then the page ID service menu. And then we don't want this to open in a new window. We want it to stay right on this page and save. I already have one, so I'm going to delete the one that I just created. And now I can show you in preview mode how when your user comes to the main page of your website and they click on services, it will drop them down to the exact spot on your website where you told that link to go. Now you could have this link to another page on your site. You can put these anchor links anywhere you want on your site, anywhere that you're able to insert that code block, and you just give it a name and then create a link that directs the user directly to that anchor link. Check out my other links to see the full design of this website and other videos that show how I did certain sections of this website. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button and clicking the bell for notifications when I have new videos coming out. I really appreciate your support. Drop a comment below. Let me know what else you want to learn about. I'm happy to make more videos, and thanks for watching.